G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we are talking about the Flywheel bolts available from Minisport. Now, there are two different types. We have the black type here, which is the KAD type, which is a little bit more expensive compared to the standard type beside me just here. Now, they are exactly the same. They will do the exact same job. This one is specifically used just for race applications. It does also have the stamping on there in which you need to tighten up to, which is 150 foot-pound. Now, generally, as a rule of thumb, I like to throw these over my shoulder and get a new one every time I remove it, especially if it is the standard replacement bolt beside me just here. The reason for that is over time, they can come loose. Although you do it up to 150 foot-pound and it does have a lock tab that sits on there and you can use Loctite on it, they're cheap enough to replace. I generally do so. If you're replacing with a CAD one, you can probably keep reusing it. Just make sure that you always use a torque wrench on it when tightening up. You don't want this to come undone because otherwise it's going to work itself out against the wok, which will then prevent clutch engagement, which can then lead to clutch arm failures, blown master cylinders, slave cylinders, etc., etc. So ask me how I know that. Now, although there is quite a few differences between the two, not just in color, but also pricing, it is worthwhile if you have the money, upgrade to the best components that you can buy at the time. That is my professional opinion and what I generally do with all of my engine builds. If you're unsure whether you need this one or the other type, give them a call at the number listed above. I should also note that this is to suit the A series engine, not the A+. The A+ is a different type of bolt. We're going to talk about that on another episode, but essentially it is exactly the same as this, except it has a small outer ring on it, in which is the lock tab. Now, if you're unsure whether you need this type or the one listed beside me just here, give them a call at Minisport or check them out on their website, www.minisport.com.au. And the differences between this one and the one I just showed before is that this suits an A series engine, whereas the other one suits the A+. Make sure you buy the right parts to suit your build. We'll catch you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.